Hello students, as you all know that this year CBSE has introduced MCQs and CBSE is actually focusing on objective assessment. So that's why CBSE introduced 20 MCQs. So following this point, today we will focus in our video only on MCQs. So today multiple choice questions will be done. So I am giving you 4 options and one option will be correct. Okay, so let's do the practice of multiple choice questions. So let's start, students. This is based on chapter number 1 of 12th Business Studies. Students, first question. Arun works as a production manager in Tecno Enterprises Limited. He has been given the task of getting 1,000 units of hand-woven table mats manufactured at the cost of 150 per unit within 10 days. In order to be acknowledged as an effective manager, he must ensure that option A, the cost of production does not exceed 150 rupees per unit. B, the work is completed within 10 days even at higher cost per unit. C, the cost of production is less than 150 per unit. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B. The work is completed within 10 days even at higher cost per unit, because in question he is asking about effective manager. Okay students, the work is completed within 10 days even at higher cost per unit. Question number 2. Geet is working as a marketing manager in a company. He has been given the task of selling 1 lakh units of product at a cost of rupees 100 per unit within 20 days. Within 20 days, he is able to sell all the units within the stipulated time, but had to sell last 1,000 units at 20% discount in order to complete the target. In such a situation, he will not be considered as an option A, efficient manager, option B, an effective manager, C, both effective and efficient, D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, an efficient manager. Geet can't be called an efficient manager because he sold the goods at a discount. Okay. Question number 3. Utkarsh Enterprises Limited is planning to increase sale by 40% in the next quarter. Identify the feature of management being highlighted in the given statement. Option A, management is all pervasive. B, management is a goal-oriented process. Option C, management is a continuous process. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is management is a goal-oriented process, because they set the target of increase in sale by 40% in a quarter, in the next quarter. Next, question number 4. Management is equally important to run a religious organization as it is run an business organization. Which feature of management is being highlighted here? Which feature of management is being reflected in the given statement? Option A, management is goal-oriented. Option B, management is multidimensional. C, management is all-pervasive. Option D, management is a group activity. The answer is management is all-pervasive. Okay, universal. Yes. Question number 5. Management translates the work to be carried out in terms of goals to be achieved and assigns the means to achieve it. The statement relates to management of work, management of people, management of operation, all of the above. The correct answer is management of work. Yes. If you remember my PPT, if you have seen the video, I have highlighted this line as an important line for case study. Okay, students, question number 6. Which of the following is not an organizational objective? Yes. Earning enough revenues to cover cost. Option B. Earning sufficient profits to cover risk of business. Option C. Increase in the prospects of business in the long run. Option D. Providing free education to their employees' children. Yes. The correct answer is providing free education to employees' children. Yes, this is not the organizational objective, this is the social objective. Yes. Now, question number 7. Management is considered to be an art because option A, the principles of management have universal validity. Option B, the principle of management have universal application. Option C, different principles of management are brought into effect differently by different managers. Option D, it is not important for the practicing managers to be a member of professional association. The correct answer is option C. Different principles of management are brought into effect differently by different managers. Okay. Next question number 8. The authority-responsibility relationship that exists within the organization give rise to option A, different functions within the organization, B, different levels in the organization, C, management as a multidimensional activity, option D, management as a group activity. The correct answer is different levels in the organization, option B. Yes. Students, this is related to hierarchy. Next question, question number 9. Which of the following is the designation related to middle level management? Middle level management. Yes. A, president, B, vice president, C, chairman, D, production manager. The correct answer is production manager, option D, because all the remaining three are related to top level. Yes. Question number 10. Which of the following is designation related to lower level, means first line management? Plant, option A, plant superintendent, option D, supervisors, option C, section officers, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above, because plant superintendent, supervisor, section officer, they all belong to supervisory management. Okay. Next question number 11. Which of the following statement is true for top level management? Option A, analyze the business environment and its implication to the survival of the business. Option B, ensure the quality of output. Option C, they strive to reduce the wastage of resources. Option D, they ensure that the safety standards are maintained within the organization. The correct answer is analyze the business environment and its implication for the survival of the business. Because option B, C and D, they all are related to supervisory level of management. Question number 12. This level of management serves as a link between top level and first line managers. Very easy question. The answer is, firstly we will see the options. supervisory level of management, operational management, middle level management, none of the above. The correct answer is middle level management. Next, question number 13. This function of management relating to placing the right man on the right job. Organizing, staffing, planning, controlling. The correct answer is staffing. Next question. Question number 14. Identify the process that provide requisite amount, quality, timing, and sequence of efforts which ensures that planned objectives are achieved with a minimum of conflict. Options are management, second is B option planning, C coordination, D controlling. And the correct answer is option C coordination. Last question. Identify, question number 15, identify the feature of coordination being highlighted in the given statement. It begins at the planning stage and continue till controlling. Option A, coordination ensures unity of action. B, coordination is an all-pervasive function. C, coordination is a continuous process. D, coordination is a deliberate process. And the correct answer is coordination is a continuous process. The option is C. So students, today we discussed 15 MCQs, and if you subscribe, if you like, we can send more videos on multiple choice questions. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.